YouTube, and thanks for watching Junkworks Garage. I've been doing videos for a little over 10 years now. So in that case, a lot of my first videos that still, I think, have pretty good information in them are not being watched at all because YouTube, they're just too old for YouTube to want to use them, I guess, or put them up on their lists. So in that case, also, YouTube is not paying all that well, so hit that thumbs up and subscribe and all those good things. I appreciate it very much. But I am going to take some of those and revamp them because I was not near sadly, I was not near as good as I am now with videos. Also, since I've changed the name on my channel, some of those older ones have my old channel name, things like that on. So I'm just going to kind of cut some of that stuff out, cut some of the talking out, and try and make them a little bit better as far as the editing is concerned. Without further ado, I hope you enjoy my older video here. Put the aftermarket radio in, and down here there was a CD player that came with the truck that I didn't want to deal with trying to make it work. That's got a CD player in it. There's no reason to have another little CD player down there. But then my dad has the same truck, and down here where the CD player was, there is a cubby hole instead in his truck. And I thought that'd be kind of nice to have a little cubby hole. So I went to my local wrecking yard and I got this cubby hole here. It'll go right in there. But to do that, you got to rip the dash out, obviously. Down under here, you pull this off here. It's just a cover plate. And there's screws across the bottom of it. And across the top, there's these little clips here that just push into little holes like that. So you unscrew those, then you just pop them off carefully. Obviously, don't break anything. If you do, I'm not responsible yet again. And it's real easy. Just pops right off. And along with this upper dash piece, there's no screws or anything, at least not mine. And all you do is grab a hold of it and pull it. Pull that all the way down. And this, I kind of forgot. It's been a little while since I pulled this apart. And you need to put your e-brake on and put that down, your gear shifter, your gear leveler down as far as it'll go to get this off. And then also, back here you do have your light switch stuff, which last time I got this off, I did kind of break a little plastic piece in here, but I actually was able to glue it back on and make it work. But you do have that to deal with. That is one thing you got to be real careful and just kind of pull those wires out of there. But otherwise, it's really simple. And also, I can't find the little handle for my e-brake pull lever here, and that's real easy to get off of there. Once I find that, I'll show you when I'm putting it on how to do that too. I guess it has been a while. My brain just quit working. Anyway, there is another switch in here. It's for your cargo lamp switch. It doesn't even work on my truck. I gotta look at that anyway. Anyway, you just reach behind here and pop that out. It's pretty simple too. And then you unplug those. So yet one more little thing. These down here are something the guy put in before me, and they're hooked absolutely nothing. I have no idea what they're for. I need to get a cover plate from the wrecking yard for that. And there's my little cubby hole. Nice little place to put that. Put my little whatever, even though it's not the MP3 player thing, go in there. Plug into my radio up here. And that can just sit right in there all nice instead of dangling down here. Usually I put it here and it'd fall through anyway. That's another little side note. You do have to have this it's out all the time, so I wasn't even thinking about it, but you do have to pull that out to get all this stuff out of here. Obviously not difficult. So, and then down here on this bottom one, there is a heater vent, and behind there there's those little clips, one on that side and one on that side. Don't forget to pop those. They just pop right in. Don't forget to pop those in before you put this bottom piece on. Basically, first of all, you're gonna, it goes that way. You're gonna pop this off, and what there is there's holes right there
and there on both sides. And all it is there's two little clips on both sides here, and you just squeeze those in by whatever means. I used a little screwdriver, popped one in, and popped the other one in, popped it out. Then when you got the brake lever piece off, you're going to actually turn this to the side, which will actually allow this to pop through here. Don't forget to do that, because you will break it if you just try and start pulling on this thing. Now to put it in reverse, you pull out on this, twist it, which locks. There's just a, it's hard to see. I apologize for the small area I have to film in here. But anyways, it's hard to see, but there is, you'll notice it when you see it. There's a little cross or X. One way unlocks it, and then pull out, twist it, and you want it to look like that. And that'll lock it in place. Then you button it down. Then this just obviously snaps on there, and you're done. Alright, then I gotta finish the screws up, and it'll be all buttoned up, and you guys don't need to see that on video. But basically, the dash is all put back together. It's actually extremely simple dash. One of the most simple ones I've ever done.
Well, hopefully you enjoyed that and got something out of it. Now get out there and get your junk working. Thanks for watching Junk Works Garage, where I'm proud to say I'm a jack of all and master of none. You all have a good one.